So welcome everyone to my channel Space Remote Sensing and GIS. So to process of how we will going to do the layer stacks, and then how we will going to clip the area, and how finally we will going to do the how we will going to do the NDVI and NDWI calculations. Okay, so that is the process which we will going to discuss is now. So very first is you have to add the data sets where you have the data. So I'm just simply click over that. Suppose here we have some data sets. Of you see here we have the 4 bands like blue, green, red, and infrared. Okay, so all the tip bands which is available here. So we will open the bands, add all bands. Okay, so now you see we open all the bands. So now the one thing you have to do, like 2, this 8, okay, so 3. If you see this 1, 4, 3, 2, so you should be in a sequence. You should put this, okay, like first is your 1 blue, then green, should be like this. So you can take it up, 2, band 3, band 4, so red, and band 8 is the near infrared. Okay, so this is the sequence, but it is not that much required. So you need to come to here, okay, for the layer stacking. Go to the raster, go for miscellaneous, okay, and then select the merge. So here you need to select first this one. Please each input as a separate band files. Now come here, and this is the sequence as we ordered it. Okay, so the sequence should be like this one, or you can just simply click select all, so it will be selected all this together. Okay, now once it done it, okay, so you can now simply click on OK. So this is fine. So wherever you have to save this merge data set, so you can save it. Okay, suppose we can go and save it here, Sentinel test stack image. Okay, so let's save it and then simply click on run. Let's wait for the results. Okay, so if you see this, now this is the stack image. You can move to the top, and now you can change the band combinations as like property, and here you can change it to band 4, 3, 2. So simply click on apply and okay. So this is the false color band composite which we created. So as of now we didn't consider the other band, so that's why I'm not going to create any other thing here. Now how to calculate the NDVI? Suppose we are targeting this particular area. Okay, so we can calculate the NDVI first, and then we will do the clipping. Okay, so to doing this process, okay, so you need to select this stack band. Okay, come to this raster. Okay, now you can see here analysis, or we can go with the build raster. So now we need to go to the raster calculator. Okay, so raster calculator, you need to do the calculations just like band 4 is your infrared. So what is the formula of this? You know, like NIR minus R divided by NIR plus R. Okay, so NIR minus R divided by first bracket NIR plus R bracket finish so wherever you need to save this, so simply save it here. Suppose I will do it under a test. What is that? Yep. So this will be my NDVI image. Simply click on save and click on OK. Yep. So see, wherever there is a vegetations, now it is coming as a high value. Okay, so it is, see, wherever there is a red, that is coming high value. So if you want to do the water indices, you need to do just opposite. Okay, like you need to do it with the short-wave infrared or green band, or here near infrared and green band. So now for the water indices, if you want to do, okay, so now if you want to highlight the water body, so in that case you can go and do this process. Go to the raster calculator. Okay, now the formula maybe that is green minus infrared, so that we need to, let's try with this. Okay, formula, first bracket green minus infrared divided by first bracket again green, blue, this is green as we know, green plus infrared, bracket complete. Now save it as NDWI. Okay, so simply do it and simply click on OK. So let's wait for the results. So if the formula is correct, then water body will highlight. Yeah. Okay, so as you've seen here, now the vegetation is black and the water body is coming brighter. Okay, see, this is very clearly visible. Now the vegetation is coming black and there is water. Where is this water? So you see that is coming as a this NDVI image, and if you see this is the NDWI image, so water body is highlighted. That's all from my side. So now if you want to do the clipping of these two, so how to do that? So first we clip the NDVI image. Okay, so if you want to clip the NDVI image, you come to the raster, okay, extractions. Now here you can clip by extent, so whatever the extents will be there, you can extend by extent you can do, or if you want to do by the shapefile, then you can go with that. Okay, so now as of now I'll go with the extent. Okay, so this is your input layer, clipping extent. You just need to click here from the layer, calculate from the map, bookmark. Okay, use the canvas extent or draw canvases. So use the canvas extent, so that only we select. So this is that. You click it here, so automatically it is came. Okay, so overwrite the projections from the output file, so that if you want you can do that. Okay, so there is no data value, not set. Okay, so data value you can set as a 0. Okay, so that also you can do. Okay, so here you can need to save the clip image, clip NDVI, simply click on save and then click on run. That's all. You see here, so now this is the clipped image of that. Now we can do the same clipped image over the NDWI. Select it, come to raster, go to raster, not calculator, sorry, so raster, extraction. okay, and then click by extent, this time NDWI, select it the current canvas, overwrite the projection, and then save the file named as clipped NDWI. So simply click on run, and you see here now water body is extracted and that is also clipped. So this is your clipped NDWI. So now if you zoom out, you can understand this, which one is your clipped area. Okay, so very nicely we can do this task. Okay, so slowly you can understand this. Clip this one, which one is open, somebody is open, yeah, this is open. Few more bands, maybe it is still open. Yeah, this is NDVI, WI. So now we require this to clip one. Okay, so we need not to open all this, only the clip one we will open. So to make it in the top layer, so this two top, this is my NDWI, this is my NDVI. Okay, so if you just right click and zoom to layer, so it will be more clear to you. Okay, so just see here. Okay, so this is how we generated two indices. So one is vegetation is highlighted, another one is water body is highlighted. Okay, so this is how we can do this. Now if you make it in the top, so now we will do only feature extraction, only one top, that is over the NDVI. So we will try to extract the vegetation area. So the last video I already showed you that how we are going to calculate this NDVI. Okay, now we will going to discuss about how we will going to do the classifications over this NDVI image. So to doing this, you need to install this plugin manager. You can go, okay, and here you just search SCP. So this will going to come, and then you install it. Okay, for me it is reinstall is coming because I already installed it. So come to the SCP, okay, and here you need to go to the band sets first. Okay, and you see here you have options to select the bands. Like here I am just going to select the clip band, okay, so of NDVI. Okay, so that's what I just selected here. Okay, this is 2 times is selected. So if you want, you can remove the one also. Okay, and yes, just like this, yes, you can remove the all, or you can just add it again. Okay, like clip NDVI. So over that I want to do the classification. So now you need to come to this cluster process. Okay, and you make it like I just make it 5 by 5. Okay, then click on the run, and you can make it as a classify. Okay, NDVI. So simply click on save. Okay, and then it is start running. Okay, so you need to wait. You see here it is already classified now it is came. Okay, so this is how you can change if you want to change the property or color or something, like you want to highlight the vegetation. Okay, so you can see there is a high value, that is this one. So you can make it as a green or something, change the color. Okay, so which you feel good, which will be better to represent the vegetation, you can give that. Okay, so or you can give little bit vegetation, dark vegetation, or is fine, I can go with this. Fine, apply. Okay, see here wherever there is a vegetations, it is more highlighted. Okay, so like this, if you go for this one, if you feel better, or this is, I feel this is more better. Okay, so you can go for apply, and okay, so this is my all the vegetations which I highlighted in a much better way. So last video we already discussed about how we did the classification of this image, but now we are actually trying to do the reclassification process. Okay, so here our main target objective is this green part, that is basically the vegetation. Okay, and the rest of the things which we want to put in a one class. Okay, so if you want to do that, the process is you need to open a notepad like this. You see here I already opened this notepad. Okay, and I just make it a rule. Okay, so what is the rule? So rule is 0 to 3. Okay, so we should put in a one group. Okay, so 0 to 3 we will put in a one group, that is called as a 1. Okay, or you can put in any other group. Okay, so that's not a problem. But here 4 to 4, okay, so you just make it 4. Okay, 4 to 4 you just make it 4. So 0 to 3 will be one class and 4 to 4 is a one class. Okay, so save it. Okay, just minimize this, and then you come to this processing toolbox. You see here I just type that only reclasses. So under this grass, okay, so you see this reclasses options will be there. You just click on that. So to select this classify file and the rule file. So wherever this rule file you created now, so you just save this already file. This file you already saved. So file, save this file, same place it will saved. So select this file and then simply click on OK. Okay, so that's all. Like if you need to save it to some place, so just type it as a reclassify, reclassify. Okay, and then simply click on save. That's all. Just click on the run. Okay, and let's wait for the results. Okay, so after this you see whatever my target areas, like wherever there is a vegetations are there, you see how nicely it was extracted. Okay, so wherever there is a green, you see those are actually selected and it is came as a new file. Okay, so this is what we call feature targeting. And if you want to do the feature extraction, so there is another process which we need to go, that is called vector data conversion and extraction. To doing this, you need to go to the raster and you need to go to the conversion, because what we will going to do, that is raster to vector conversions. Okay, so this is polygon, raster to vector conversions. Okay, so that we will going to do. So select it. So 4 will be your vegetation. You just remember this thing in your mind. Okay, so now you come to this and save it wherever you want to save this output. Okay, so this will be your vector file. I just give a name as vegetation GRO mangrove all vegetation. Now all vector, you just make it name as a all veg vector, all veg vector. Okay, so that's what I give a name, and then simply click on run and let's wait for the results. And you see here, okay, so if you see this, so if you open the attribute of this particular table, okay, so you can see this 1 and 4. Okay, so there's a 2 values will be there. Okay, so that is 1 and 4. So whatever your target value, you just need to select that and you just extract the vegetation area. That's all. Okay, so here you see here it is very clear, like whatever your target options which will be selected here. So only thing is you need to change this property. Okay, so and you just make it hollow so that you can get proper areas, and you see this vegetation came very nicely. Okay, so one thing you just need to do, that is you need to change this samples line size. Okay, you see it's coming very thick, so just reduce it up to 5. That is fine. Okay, so simply click on OK, and that's all. Like how you get all the vegetations over here. Okay, so this is reclassified image and this is all the vector image. Okay, so this is the your all the this point areas, you can see those are the vegetation area. You see, if you want to see over the areas, you can do that also. here it will be little up, you just put and yeah, see this is the NDVI clip image, and see wherever there is a bright, so you can see the green area which is extracted perfectly over that particular place. Okay, so if you switch off this, you can see all the vegetation which will be highlighted very clearly. So this is what we call as a feature extraction. So I hope this video will be useful for you all. So if you like this video, please give your comments. Thank you.